Hello and welcome to a new video on this channel. Szabi from CodeRevolution here. Today I am announcing a change to AdSense policy starting from September 2019. I mean starting from now because right now it is already September 2019 and this policy change changes the way that Google AdSense approves websites and websites categories that they approve. So let us check how this will change exactly. There will be two kinds of categories for websites: publisher policies and publisher restrictions. So publisher policies include hardcore websites that are illegal, child abuse, explicit sexual content, adult theme, family content, and so on. So these kinds of websites will be still banned from AdSense. However, if we check the Google Publisher Restrictions category, we can see that sexual content, shocking content, explosive, guns, weapons, tobacco, recreational drugs, alcohol, gambling, prescription drugs, unapproved pharmaceuticals, and supplements will be able to be used with AdSense. So these kinds of websites were banned until now. However, starting from now they will be allowed to use AdSense, but with something that we must specify, that they will not show full set of ads. So some ads will specify that they don't want to be shown on these kinds of websites, on publisher restrictions websites. And because of this, websites from this category that are using AdSense might earn a bit lower revenue from it because some ads are not showing. However, this is a still great thing because they were banned until now from using AdSense, and starting from now they will be allowed to use it and to use their monetization method to earn revenue. So this is a great thing, and AdSense got cooler. I just want to ask myself how they will differentiate sexual content from sexually explicit content. I am not sure how this will differentiate. However, let's see. Okay. So this is the update for AdSense starting from September 2019. This is all for this video. If you enjoy my content, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and until next time, stay awesome. Bye bye.